Hello friends, today I'm gonna bring you the BG-3 10,000 milliamp power hand grip from Ulanzi. What's in the box? In the box is the power hand grip itself with mini tripod, USB type A to type C cable, and limited 1-year warranty. So this is the upgraded version of Ulanzi BG-2. So this BG-3 has more power, 10,000 milliamp power. This hand grip with a tripod. So this is from Ulanzi. It offers a lot of versatility in a compact design with a silicone grip that's comfortable to use in all weather environments. The power hand grip can be a handy companion for virtually all users, and is useful especially for mobile shooters and bloggers. The power hand grip is a 10,000 milliamp power bank that can be used as a power hand grip or mounted on an included mini tripod, or you can simply carry it with you to use as a charger. To a 1/4 of 20 screw on top, you can attach action cams, smartphone holders, compact mirrorless cameras, LED lights, mics, and many other devices using an adapter when necessary. A USB type A port lets you run power to your camera or other device as it's mounted on top during production. A bidirectional USB type C port allows you to charge a smartphone or other mobile device, or to recharge the power hand grip. When recharging, it supports QC protocol fast charging at 18-watt input, and LED indicators confirm charging status. The USB type A and type C ports can be used at the same time. Attach an included ultra compact mini tripod to the 1/4 inch of 20 thread on the bottom, and use the power hand grip as a tripod or stand for your camera, light, or other devices. Tripod mode allows you to achieve static shots, time-lapse capture, and much more.